The buzz is real, X is overflowing with leaks and rumors about the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, and it's got everyone talking. Today's video is going to be an absolute treat for you because I've done the digging and gathered all the juicy details about this highly anticipated drone. From its sleek design and groundbreaking features to the possible price and release date, I'm going to break down everything we know so far. So, if you're just as hyped about the Mavic 4 Pro as I am, sit back, relax, and let's dive into all the exciting details. Without wasting any time, let's get started. A few days ago, Jasper Ellen stirred up excitement by sharing an FCC listing for the upcoming DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Along with the listing, he made a bold claim: it's coming! Will they actually launch it before the USA DJI ban in 2025? Exciting times! Yesterday, OsidLV shared an intriguing picture on X, captioned Mavic 4 in field test. Not long after, he followed up with a video showing someone folding a drone that hasn't been publicly released yet. This sparked a wave of excitement, as many believe it's none other than the highly anticipated DJI Mavic 4 Pro. OsidLV wasn't the only one fueling the buzz. Several other prominent leaksters chimed in, claiming this is indeed the upcoming Mavic 4 Pro. Just a few hours ago, Hakasushi shared an exciting photo revealing almost all the key specs of the highly anticipated DJI Mavic 4 Pro. This leak has given us a detailed look at what to expect, and it's safe to say the excitement just went through the roof. Now let's dive into the most exciting part: the camera specifications. The upcoming DJI Mavic 4 Pro is set to redefine aerial imaging, taking the beloved Mavic series to the next level. This new drone will be equipped with a 4x3-inch CMOS sensor, designed to capture stunningly detailed images and videos. Paired with a 28mm lens boasting an incredible 100-megapixel resolution, the Mavic 4 Pro will ensure every shot is crystal clear, whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or intricate details from above. The adjustable aperture range of f2 to f11 will provide greater versatility, letting creators adapt to various lighting conditions with ease. For enhanced low-light performance, it will feature dual native ISO 400-1600 D-Log, enabling vibrant and noise-free footage even in dim environments. Video enthusiasts will love the ability to record in 6K at 60 FPS HDR for ultra-high-definition clarity, or enjoy silky smooth slow motion with 4K at 120 FPS. With 14 stops of dynamic range, the footage will have exceptional depth and color richness. Additionally, DJI will integrate the Hasselblad 10-point starburst effect for those cinematic light flares. To top it off, the stepless electronic ND filter, ND4-64, will allow seamless control over exposure, giving creators the freedom to shoot in challenging light conditions without compromising quality. With these groundbreaking camera specs, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be a powerhouse for aerial photographers and videographers. Let's move on to the battery and performance, an area where the DJI Mavic 4 Pro will truly shine. From the FCC label, we can see the Mavic 4 Pro will come equipped with a 95.3 watt-hour battery, promising an impressive 52 minutes of flight time. This means more time in the air to capture the perfect shot or explore vast landscapes without constantly worrying about recharging. With a range of 40 kilometers using the DJI's O4 Plus transmission system, the Mavic 4 Pro will allow you to push boundaries and cover greater distances with confidence. Despite its powerful internals, the drone is expected to weigh just 1,045 grams, striking a balance between portability and durability. To keep it charged and ready to go, DJI will include a 240-watt charger, ensuring quick and efficient power-ups. And for those planning to invest in this high-performance drone, the basic kit is expected to cost around €2,200, a price that reflects the cutting-edge technology packed into this device. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be a game-changer for both hobbyists and professionals, offering exceptional performance, extended flight time, and incredible creative tools. We can't wait to see what DJI officially reveals with this powerhouse. If you're as excited as we are, make sure to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates, leaks, and reviews. Stay tuned, there's more to come as we follow the journey of this incredible drone.